All right, breaking out for Tim, I got one 2014 Chrome Mini Football, one Steel City Collectible grab bag, and one 2014 Playbook Football. Good luck. If we're not near the shack break by about 1:30, I'm just going to push it back till tomorrow because it's not going to fill if we're at 20 spots. The Malkin break will be going off though, for sure. Sherman, Graham, rookie Yohan Smallwood, and Antoine Exum. These are some mini cards. Edelman, Tavon Austin, rookie card Manziel, and rookie Devonta Freeman. Nice Devonta Freeman rookie right there. Garcon, Fantasy Focus Brandon Marshall. Terrence West and Storm Johnson are our rookies. Hawley, Flacco, Desir, and Marcus Roberson are the rookies. Thomas, Scott Kreitchen, rookie card. Tom Savage and Jared Aberderis are the rookies. These are some mini packs. AB, Jamal Charles, Devontae Adams, and Timmy Jernigan are the rookies. Josh Gordon, Robert Quinn, rookies Calvin Pryor and Taylor Lewan. One auto in every single box. Still waiting on that. Demaryius Thomas, Jamal Charles, Mike Davis, and Aaron Murray. Newton, Bush, Purifoy, and Allen Robinson are the rookies. No, the defenses look pretty good this year. AB on the 100-yard club. Aaron Donald and Matthews, rookie. Defense has been a lot better than I would ever hope they'd be this year. Just injuries. Just can't get anyone, can't get the whole team on the field. Like this is our, oh no, I thought that was our auto. Marquise Lee, rookie. Jordan Matthews, rookie. Jason Verrett, rookie. I thought because we had it on the other way, I thought we had a rookie, or I had an auto there. Keenan Allen, Vincent Jackson. Out of 102 right there, Vincent Jackson. Thought we had a little different right there, a little shine. Jeremy Hill and Taj Boyd are the rookies. Odell Beckham, rookie. Khalil Mack, rookie. And our auto right here, Bishop Sankey, rookie card right there for the Titans. That number, Bishop Sankey for the Tennessee Titans. Jeff Jonas and Bradley Roby, rookies. Oh, yes, Sankey. Nuke Hopkins, Eli Manning. I thought we had a little... No number on that Eli? No. Dion Bailey, Ahmad Dixon, rookies. Yeah, there must be a lot of Sankey in there then. Torrey Smith, Lynch. Rookie Shaq Evans, rookie Jerick McKinnon. Shady McCoy, Andrew Luck. Rookie Paul Richardson and Lake Seastrunk. AJ Green, Eddie Lacy. Mettenberger and Zach Martin are the rookie cards. A few more packs to go here. No, you're up after. Actually, yeah, probably. I didn't even see your order get placed. Most likely. Did you throw that order on? Kiko Alonso out of 99. Yeah, I think you're up next. Jadeveon Clowney, rookie. Taj Boyd, rookie. Robert Herron, Dree Archer, rookie. Jalen Saunders and Bruce Ellington. Marquise Lee, rookie card right there for the Jags. It's a cool looking card. Connor Shaw and George Atkinson. Rodgers, Gronk, Garoppolo, and Jason Maro are the rookies. Last pack right here. Nelson, Cecil Shorts, Rashid Hageman, and Justin Gilbert are the rookies. All right, not bad right there. A lot of good rookies up next. Let's see what we got. And these things are hard to stack. Little baby cards. All right, we're going to do a Playbook up next, 2014 Playbook. See if we can get out of here. Starting off right here on the Shadow Box signature, Brett Smith for the Buccaneers, out of 99. Brett Smith. And out of 25, Aaron Murray on the rookie patch auto right there for the Chiefs. Aaron Murray. Nice patch right there. Auto, rookie patch auto for the Kansas City Chiefs, Aaron Murray. Probably should be giving him a look soon. I don't know how the Chiefs season going. And our last one on the grab bag. Rookie card, 2014-15 Panini Prism. Prism's blue and gold mosaic. Rookie card, Aaron Gordon. Right there. Rookie card, blue and green. Aaron Gordon right there for the Orlando Magic. Nice rookie, nice player right there for Orlando. Tim, thanks for the order. Appreciate it. Have a great day. We'll try to get these shipped out today for you. All right.